Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. Last class, we have studied Varna ki Dhwani, sounds of the letters. Okay, see here, sounds of the letters we have learned last class. Today, we'll repeat the same thing. Sounds of letters. First, we have learned Varna Mala. Varna Mala means there are two types of letters. Okay, there are two types of letters. One is swar. And the another one is Vyanjan. Okay, there are two types of letters, swar and Vyanjan. Swar means vowels. And Vyanjan means consonants. Swar and Vyanjan. This is swar and this is Vyanjan. We have learned both. In this also we have learned three letters. In this we have learned only the orals. Okay, first we will start from the orals only. Okay, you have to be ready with your books. See, this is your textbook. This is your textbook. Every time, whenever I start the class, you should be ready with your textbook and the notebooks. Okay. First, we'll read the orals. See here. Varna ki dhwani, sounds of the letters. A say anar. A pomegranate. A say amrut. A Goa. A say am. A mango. A say aag. A fire. E say imali. Tamarind. E say imarati. Imarati. E say eek. Sugarcane. E say Isa. Jesus. U say ullu and owl. U say ostara erazor. U say ul. U say oont a camel. Ru say rushi. Sage. A say adi. Heel. A say ektara, a musical instrument. I say ainak, spectacles. I say Airavat, elephant. Okay, you can tell Airavat also, Hathi also. They tell for elephant. Hathi also you can tell. Airavat also you can tell. O say Okali, a mortar. O say Odani, away. I'll say aurat, woman. I'll say aushadi, medicine. Say angur, grapes. Say langur and app. Aha. Read once again. See ya. A say anar, a pomegranate. A say amrut, a guava. A say am, a mango. A say aag, a fire. E say imali, tamarind. E say eek, sugar. E say imarati. Sorry. E say imarati. E say eek, sugarcane. E say isa, Jesus. U say ullu and owl. U say ostara, a razor. U say ul. U say oont, a camel. Ru say rishi, a sage. A say adi, a heel. A say ektara, a musical instrument. I say ainak, spectacles. I say Airavat, elephant. O say okali, a mortar. O say odani, a veil. I'll say aurat, a woman. I'll say aushadi, medicine. Say angur, grapes. Say langur, an app. Aha. Okay. Now last class we have learned three letters. E. Okay. These three letters last class we have learned. Now, hope you have all written in your book. These three letters. Today we'll learn the next letters. Next letter is E. E say eek, sugar cane. E say eek, sugar cane. See ya, sleeping line, small standing line, S, and curve like this. Same like E only. And for this, you have to give a matra like this. E ki matra like this. E. E. E say eek, sugar cane. See, in double line box, you have to write. Okay. Sleeping line, small standing line, write S, and curve and make around like this. How? E. This is E. And this is E. E say eek, sugar cane. Sleeping line, small standing line, S, make a curve, small. E, sleeping line, standing line, S, E. E say eek, sugar cane. E say eek, sugar cane. Say and write. You have to say and write. E say eek, sugar cane. sleeping line, standing line, S, curve like this. Okay. E. E say eat. Sugarcane. Okay. E say eat sugarcane. Like this, you have to touch the line and follow these two lines and write. Don't write below also and don't write to up also. Okay. Slipping line, standing line, S and curve like this. E say eat. Like this, you have to write full page. You have to write full page. Okay. E say eat. Sugarcane. Okay. Now the next letter is U. U say ullu. See here? U say ullu. Though you need not draw the pictures, children. You have to write. You have to write. Only you have to write it in the book. Just to show you, I have drawn the picture. Okay. O say ullu. Okay. O say ullu and owl. This also you have to write in the next page. Okay, next page you have to write. Children, if you have not buy the books soon and you have to start the classwork. Okay. Now how to write U? You all U means like three, like this, like this, like this. No, these all wrong. You should not write like this. See here, two lines, half curve, another half like this. Slipping line. O. O say ullu. Owl. Like this. O say ullu and owl. Like the slipping line. Curve. Another one more like this. Slant. Up straight. Up. You have to write like this. O. O say ullu. O say ullu and owl. O say Ullu. And owl. Like this. U say ullu and owl. E say eek. Sugar cane. A say anar. A say aam. E say Imali. E say eek. U say ullu. Okay, these letters we have learned. See here, A say anar, A say aam, E say Imali, E say eek, U say ullu. See here, that's sleeping line, half curve, and another half take little bit curve, long curve. Okay, upstairs, up here to put. So yeah, U say ullu and owl, like this sleeping line. Like we all write three, no, like that same thing. Like this. U say ullu, like this. U say ullu and owl. U say ullu and owl, like this. U say ullu. Like this, you have to write. Touch both the lines and write neatly in your rough note. Okay, first you have to practice in the rough note, then we'll start in the classwork. Okay, like this. U say ullu, owl. U say ullu and owl. Okay, like this you have to write neatly. Okay, you don't draw these pictures just to show I have drawn. Only the letters you have to write it in your book. Okay, now next is now next letter is U finish. Now next is U. U say un. Ul, you can tell, or else U say un. Camel also you can tell. U say un, ul, ulan. Okay. See how to write slipping line, just like O only you have to write. Okay, slipping line, curve, and another half curve. Then again, see middle of this two curve, you have to write slipping line, small slipping line and standing line like this. Ooh, ooh say oont, camel. Okay, see here, slipping line, half curve and another half curve like this. Then like this. O say oont, camel. Like this. You have to write here slipping line, curve, then like this. Then you have to make a slipping line and standing line. O say oont. Oont also you can tell. Oon also you can tell. Oon means woolen. O say oont. Camel. Like the slipping line, curve, then like this. Two lines. Write it in blue lines. Only with the blue lines you have to write like this. O say oont, camel. Slipping line, curve, then again slipping line, standing line. O say oont, camel. Okay. O say oont, camel. O say oont, camel. Like this. Touch the line and write neatly. Okay, touch the line. You have to touch the line and write. Don't write as you like. Okay, touch the blue lines and write neatly. O say oont, camel. O say oont, camel. Like this. When class is going on, write few lines. Then after the class, you have to write the full page. Same page only, you have to write the homework also. Complete that page. That will be the homework also in your rough note. Okay. O say oont, camel. Now the next letter is Ru. Ru say Rishi. say Rishi, a saint. Okay. You all see in the temple, no? Rishigalu? Yes. See here? Ru say Rishi. Like this. How to write this Ru? How to write Ru? See here? Sleeping line. Standing line. Like T. Okay. Then like this. Okay. Then like this. Okay. Ru say Rishi. You all write K like this, no? They're same like this. You have to turn up and you have to draw the lines this side in the right side like this. Okay. See here, sleeping line, standing line, then like this, then one more, then like how you write small e, like this only, like write small e and make the curve like this. Ru say Rishi, a saint. Ru say Rishi, sleeping line, standing line, write K like this and like small e like this. Okay? Ru say Rishi, a saint. Ru say Rishi, a saint. Ru say Rishi. Like this, you have to write. Touch both the lines and write sleeping line, standing line, write like K, then small e like this, and one more curve like this. Ru say Rishi. Ru say Rishi, like this. Saint. Ru say Rishi, a saint. Say and write. You have to say and write. Ru say Rishi. If you don't know to write, take the help from your parent and write neatly. If you don't know to write, first practice nicely on the slate or the blackboard. Then you write in the book. Okay. Ru say Rishi, a saint. Sleeping line, standing line, K, then like this. Ru say Rishi. Ru say Rishi. Like this, you have to write it in your book. Okay. A say anar, A say arm, E say imali, E say eek, U say ullu, and U say oon. U say oon, camel. Okay. And Ru say Rishi. Ru say Rishi. Ru say Rishi. See your children in your textbook here. They are to write. You have to practice in the textbook only. For first standard children, you have got the textbook. In that they have given the letters like this. See here, they are given the letters. You have to trace on this letters. See here, they are given the page number 9. Yeah, page number 9. In this page, you have to write A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O. Okay, they have given the dotted letters. You have to trace on that letters. Okay, trace neatly in your textbook itself. Okay, again in the next class, we'll start the next letter. Thank you, children.